recommend people to go and do these courses, because it's not just the information that you're getting from courses like these, but the thing is they also explain the expansion, the future of the product, and that adds so much value to your actual futuristic approach towards your business and your actual personal life as well, because we all live in a house in which we always try to kind of develop a house in a different way. And even if you don't want to be a businessman, or if you don't want to add your service to somebody else, you can also do it for your own house. So this is something great about this course, and I'm really happy. It's money well spent. Thank you.